Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best 3500K LED bulbs is probably one of the most versatile lighting solutions you can find. Offering a warm, inviting glow that's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and any space where you want to create a cozy atmosphere, these bulbs strike a balance between the bright, energizing light of cooler temperatures and the softer, more relaxing light of warmer ones. In this video, we'll dive into the world of 3500K LED bulbs, exploring their benefits and helping you choose the perfect ones for your home. Number 5. LUXRITE A19 LED 100W equivalent dimmable bulbs. These bulbs provide 1600 lumens of crisp, quality lighting, brighter than a standard 100-watt bulb. They are perfect for any atmosphere, enhancing your home lighting in various spaces. You can control the brightness from 100% to 10%. Set them according to your mood and enjoy a pleasant atmosphere every time. It offers you great flexibility. Replace your old 100-watt incandescent bulbs with these 15-watt LED bulbs and cut your electricity usage by 85%. You'll immediately see the savings on your bill. With a lifespan of 25,000 hours, you won't need to replace these for the next 22 years. Each bulb lasts 10 times longer than traditional bulbs. Enjoy zero flickering and zero delay with these soft white LED bulbs. They are quick to install, work in enclosed fixtures, are ENERGY STAR rated, and come with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This bulb shines with a brilliant 1600 lumens, ensuring your spaces are well lit. It's also dimmable, allowing you to adjust the ambience to your liking. If you're looking for a bright, long-lasting solution for your home, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These LED light bulbs have a nice hue in the color spectrum, not clinical lighting like some are. They're just the right amount of brightness without having a yellow or blue fluorescent hue. What I like about these bulbs is the brightness. These bulbs are brighter than what I had, and are noticeably brighter. They are also the color I want. I can't stand yellowish tint, and I don't like bluish tint. I want a nice, clean, white light that lets the real color of things show up as well as possible. Number 4. TJOY ST58 LED Edison light bulbs. These vintage-style LED bulbs are designed with a classic retro look, perfect for various fixtures. They are suitable for chandeliers, ceiling fans, and other home lighting, fitting any E26 medium base socket. You can use them in your bedroom, living room, or any space you desire. The ST58 bulbs offer smooth dimming from 10% to 100%, compatible with most dimmers. They provide a flicker-free experience, eliminating any buzzing or humming sounds. This allows you to easily adjust the lighting to your preference. With a lifespan of 15,000 hours, these bulbs can last over 13 years with regular use. They are energy efficient, consuming only 8 W of energy, equivalent to a 60 W bulb. This helps you save on energy costs. The 2700K warm white light creates a soothing and cozy ambience, perfect for relaxation. It's gentle on your eyes and ideal for reading, creating a comfortable environment in your home. The warm color also softens skin tones. These bulbs are UL listed, ROHS, and FC certified, ensuring safety. TJOY offers a 1-year warranty, providing replacements or refunds for any product issues. You can enjoy peace of mind with their after-sales service. What we like? This bulb features a classic vintage design, adding a touch of elegance to any room. It offers a warm, eye-friendly light, perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere. If you like the aesthetic of vintage Edison bulbs but want the efficiency of LED, this is the one for you. What people say. The dimmable feature works flawlessly, allowing me to set the perfect mood whether I'm working in the office, relaxing in the bedroom, or entertaining in the living room. They run cool and throw great light for such a reasonably priced bulb. Really nice color, not harsh like the bright white ones. Number 3. SLEEKLIGHTING 11W LED GU24 base light bulbs. Tired of high electricity bills? These LED light bulbs are designed to save you money. They consume only 9 watts and can last up to 15,000 hours, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This pack includes 4 LED bulbs, offering great value. Each bulb has a GU24 base and is perfect for various fixtures like table lamps and floor lamps. They are designed to provide long-lasting and reliable lighting. Set the perfect mood with 5 different color temperatures. From soft white to bright white, You can easily adjust the lighting to suit any occasion. Plus, it has a lifespan of up to 15,000 hours. These dimmable LED bulbs work with standard dimmer switches, allowing you to create a calm atmosphere while saving energy. Use them in homes, classrooms, or hospitals for versatile lighting solutions. These 120-volt bulbs are UL and Energy Star listed, ensuring compatibility and safety. If you're not satisfied, they offer a no-hassle replacement with a 1-year guarantee. It's a risk-free purchase. What we like. This bulb allows you to switch between 5 different color temperatures, giving you complete control over your lighting. It's also energy efficient, helping you save on your electricity bills. If you want versatile lighting options, this is a great pick. What people say. They work well, are much brighter than the lights they replace, and in cold weather they light up right away. The dimming feature works great on these. It allows you to dim all the way down to barely visible. I noticed that they have the color temp adjusting switch. These are nice and bright and work very well in our Panasonic bathroom light fan heater. Number 2. Sylvania A19 LED 100W Replacement Light Bulbs, 4-pack. Introducing the Sylvania A19 LED light bulbs, a perfect replacement for your old 100W incandescent bulbs. This 4-pack provides bright white illumination while consuming only 16 watts. These LED bulbs are designed to last up to 15,000 hours, reducing the need for frequent replacements. They are also energy efficient, helping you save money on your electricity bill. With a color temperature of 3500 K, these bulbs provide bright white light instantly. They are ideal for various spaces like your living room, kitchen, or garage. These bulbs are dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness to your preference. They fit into medium base fixtures, making them a versatile lighting solution. Sylvania has been a leader in lighting solutions for over a century. This product is designed to meet the highest standards and comes with the backing of a trusted brand. What we like. This bulb is a direct replacement for a 100W incandescent bulb, providing bright illumination while saving energy. It also boasts a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. If you're looking to upgrade your old bulbs, this is a great option. What people say. The light is bright and the color is perfect. The bulbs are very easy to install. They are working great. Number 1. SLEEKLIGHTING A19 5.5W LED Bulb, 4-pack. Introducing the SLEEKLIGHTING A19 LED bulbs. These bulbs are designed to save you money on your electricity bills. They are energy efficient and long-lasting. These LED bulbs can last up to 50,000 hours, reducing the need for frequent replacements. They only use 5.5 watts of energy, helping you save on your electric bills. This makes them a smart and economical choice. This pack includes 4 LED bulbs, offering great value. Each bulb has a medium E26 base, making it suitable for various fixtures. They are perfect for regular room lights and lamps. The bulbs offer 5 different color temperatures, from soft white to bright white. You can easily adjust the lighting to create the perfect ambience. Plus, they have a long lifespan, ensuring lasting performance. These LED bulbs are dimmable and compatible with standard dimmer switches. Dimming the lights can create a calm atmosphere and further reduce energy consumption. They are ideal for various settings, from homes to classrooms. These bulbs are UL and Energy Star listed and operate on 120 volts. They come with a 1-year no-hassle replacement guarantee. If you're not satisfied, they offer a replacement. What we like. This bulb offers 5 different color temperature options, allowing you to customize your lighting to suit any mood or activity. It's incredibly energy efficient, helping you save money on your electricity bills. If you are looking for a long-lasting and versatile lighting solution, you should consider it. What people say. Color temperature control with plenty of brightness. You are able to adjust the tone from warm yellow to daylight. Simple slide switch sets light color temperature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.